This incident happened in 2009. I had gone for a job interview. I cleared all the rounds and then I was hired as a trainee content writer. So it was, things were going well, going good. Some days later, I was having my lunch in the company cafeteria. A team of writers, they were there. And then my seniors who had hired me, they were also there. And suddenly, one of the seniors, he started laughing and then he looked at me and he said, what, Ashok, I wanted to punch you on your face that day. I said, what? And then he said, during the interview. And I said, why? And he said, because of your weird accent. You know what? You have a fake accent, so get rid of it. My other senior, he also joined and he had the same views. There were like 6 to 8 people who were sitting there, who were having lunch, and my seniors told, they said all of this, in their presence, and that hurt. That hurt a lot. They had no bad intentions for sure. They were laughing and they were having fun. But again, as a beginner back in 2009, I felt bad, really bad. उसके बाद भी I kept meeting people, colleagues, so-called friends who would leave no chance to correct my pronunciation and to tell me that I have a fake accent. So I heard it all, and all these things somewhere I believe affected my confidence level as well. But I never gave up. I kept improving my communication. I kept working on it. Even today, I learn new words every day. I buy new books. I read them aloud, so I could get better every single day. But then I also meet people, in my office, in my friends and family circle, in my social circles, who appreciate my communication, who appreciate the knowledge I have gathered through books, through my personal professional experiences, and that feels nice. That feels like I have done something in my life, and I have a long way to cover. I have a long way to go. I know that. But along the way, I also want to encourage you to pursue your dreams, to start learning whatever you want to learn, whether it is English, whether it is Hindi or French or some other skill you want to build on. Please start learning today. Start learning now. And I will try to be by your side, whatever it is. I mean, especially with the communication part, I'm gonna be there with you. So if you have anything upon your mind, any doubts, any questions, anything you want to ask me, let me know in the comments. That was a little story I wanted to share with you, and I think I didn't take much of your time. And again, I appreciate your support. I appreciate your love. Thank you. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay awesome, stay blessed.